Disclaimer: this ebook has been written for information purpose only. Every effort has been made to make this ebook as complete and accurate as possible. However, there may be mistake in typography or content also. This ebook provided information only up to the publishing data. Therefore, this ebook should be used as a guide, not as the ultimate source. The purpose of the ebook is to educate. The author and publisher does not warrant that the information content in this ebook is fully completed and shall not be responsible for any error or omissions. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss or damage caused to alleged to be caused directly and indirectly by this ebook. Table of Content. Introductory. 4. Chapter 1. Creating a social networking website profile. 6. Chapter 2. Popular social network website. 8. Chapter 3. Should you join a social network website? 10. Chapter 4. Why social network sites are so popular? 12. Chapter 5. What not put in social network profile. 14. Chapter 6. What is a social networking? 16. Chapter 7. Using social network website to promote your online website. 18. Introductory. Introductory. Do, do you belong to an online social network website? With their recent rise in popularity, there is a good chance that you do. However, it is one thing to be a community member and another actually participate in online discussion as well as the many other network features. That is why it is advised that you learn how to make the most out of your social networking experience. Many internet users already think that they know everything that they need to know about their social network community. Unfortunately, not everyone does. In fact, you can find numerous posts online of people rating on starting that they wish their social network website, such as Yahoo, 360 MySpace, Orchid, Friends Wish, or Friend, and has a particularly service and future. Too many times those posters did not look before they started speaking because as it turned out, many social networking websites have what people want, just everyone doesn't know about it. The first step in marketing of a social network experience is to familiarize yourself to me online community or communities that you belong to. This can easily be done by closely examining the website. There are too many internet users who are focused on meeting new friends that they get started right away. While it is nice to start meeting new people right away, it is also niche to what your social networking site has to offer. This can only be done by closely examining the website. Whether you take the hour one day examining the website, you will likely be pleased with your discussion to do it. When examining the website of an online community that you belong to, it is advised that you are examining the terms of your agreement. This agreement often outline what you cannot do online. Despite the fact of larger number of online networking sites, such as MySpace, have little rules, there are other websites that have them. These rules and restrictions may limit content that you can have on your site, as well as your picture, videos, and other media. Many websites, including social networking websites, will terminate your membership if you are found violating this argument. By reading all of the rules of restriction of your social network website you belong to, you should be able to ensure that you can continue to enjoy this site. One of the many benefits to full examining the social network belong to is that you could be alerted to network benefit features or service that you were previously unaware of. In addition to giving your one profile page and allowing you to invite other internet users into your network, there are a number of other things that you can do online social networking website. A larger number of websites have created features and sections that include horoscope quiz, polls, instant message, chat rooms, and much more. However, before you make it of this number benefit, you must know that the exist. If you are interested in making new online friends, it like that you have already joined an online social network community. Where there you are interesting is on joining my of your area first time is sure you will too careful choose friend networks. By researching each social networking website online, you should easily be to able finalize yourself with the advantage and disadvantage of each. And since most social network websites are free to use, there are no risks associated with giving the network a try. If you happen to come across website that require a paid membership and you would like to try it, you are advised to look out for free membership plan or free trial period. They may be able to help determine whether or not social network website that you are interested in joining is worth its cost. As you can easily see, there are a number of different ways to go about making the most out of your social networking experience. The control is in your hands. It is your decision as to whether or not you want to spend a small amount of time researching your network and everything that it has to offer. However, it is important to note that not doing so literally means that you are missing out on all of the fun. Chapter 1: Creating your social networking website profile. How you would like to meet and communicate with your internet user, especially ones that share the same view and briefly as you do. If you would, they you may want to think about joining a social network website. If you haven't already done so, when it's come to easily finding and communicating online with the other internet user, social networking site are perhaps the best way to go. If you are interested in joining a social network website, the first thing that you will need to do is find a network to join. You can easily find a number of networks by performing as a standard internet search for the best search result. You may want to search with the words social network or social networking website in your search. It is likely that you come up with a fairly larger number of different networking sites. Popular site that may be included in your search result may include but will not be limited to MySpace, Orkut, Yahoo, 360 Find Friends, FriendWish, Facebook, and Classmate. Once you have made the discussion to join particularly social networking website, whether or not is it one of the ones mentioned above, you will need to register with the site. Even pre-network require that you go through in the registration process. Once you are registered, you should be able to start communicating with other community members. Before you start communicating, you may need to develop your online profile or profile page, depending on the networking site in questions. Although it may seem easy enough to create a profile, there are many internet users who are unsure exactly what they should and should not include. Perhaps one of the most important things it include in your online website is your profile. While a personal picture is optional, it is ideal. Many internet users enjoy talking to someone that they can see their mind. Without picture, this is difficult. If you are looking to use social networking website just to meet new friends, you may not necessarily need to post or private pictures, but you may need it to if you are looking to find love online. When it comes to internet dating, many individuals will not even view an online profile if your picture is not included in the addition to your photographic. You may want to include your name. Now, when it comes to your name, you need to be cautious. Your advice against giving your full name, specifically if your profile or profile page content personal photography of you. In addition to your name, you may want to put down your location. As with your name, it is important to display cautions. Your picture, your address, and your full name can be dangerous specifically if you into wrong hands. As much as you would like to fill your social network profile with personal information, you are advised to think about your safety before anything else. You may also want to include information on yourself. This information may include your hobbies, issues that are important to do, your likes and your dislikes. With many social networking websites, including MySpace, you will find there a pressed profile field for this information. In addition to preset question or categorize on your like and dislike, you may also find additional information including fun questionnaire. Many social network websites will ask that you describe your favorite color, your goal in life, your most embracing moment, and so on. As with your other personal information, it is important to stay vague when possible and not use any full name, especially really ones. By keeping the above mentioned point in mind, you should not to be able to create an online social network profile that is filled with valuable information, but you can do so while starting safety at the same time. Your safety on the internet is in your hands. That is why it is important to think about safety as well as internet popularity. Chapter 2: Popular social networking website. Do you love using the internet to meet and talk to new people? If you're there is so good inch that you have heard the social networking website before. If you have not, you will want to familiarize yourself with them because they are rapidly becoming your most popular way to communicate with other online. If you were not already aware, social networking website or website that essentially act as an internet community. While all social networking websites have their own rules and restriction, many websites operate in a similar way with similar goals. Their goals are to allow internet user to connect with other internet user online, often from all around the world. What is the niche about social networking website is that they come in a wide variety of different forms. There are many websites that are considered general website. Their website do not really have any particular focus. But there are social networking websites that do have a particular focus. Those focus often include dating, religions, and school. If your online social network seems interesting to you, you will have to find community to join. You can easily do this number different way by speaking to those that you know on and offline. You could be allowed to popular social network website. You can also find this website on your own by performing a standard internet search. Whether you perform your own search or really on recommendation from others, it is likely that you will find fair larger number of social networking websites. Just a few those websites that may find include Classmate, Orkut, Yahoo, 360 and MySpace. Orkut is Google version or special networking website. This website was created and officially launched in 2014. Orkut has a larger number of members from all around the world. What is the nice about Orkut is that the system is easy to use. That is a once get you protect their social networking communicate. A larger number of social networking websites including Orkut have restrict access to the site. If you are interested to join or Orkut, you must know someone who is already a member. They must invite you to join this community. If you do not personally know me or could member, there is good chance that you could connected with the obtain invitation from someone you meet online. Classmate is an online social networking website that is rapidly increasing the popularity. The website focus on connecting long lost friends or old classmates. Classmate is free to use, but you must become a paying members to enjoy many their members benefits. These benefits include but are not limited to searching for old classmates, reading their profile, requesting more information from your classmate, or even connecting them. MySpace is another popular social networking website that can be found online. In fact, MySpace is known as being the most popular online social network website. They currently have over 100 million members. MySpace, like many other social network websites, allow you create your one profile. In fact, your one personal page. Once your page has been created, you can easily invite other members to become members of your network and vice versa. In addition to having a traditional profile page with your personal information, you can also display a larger number of picture, video clips, and music clips. Although there are a number of features that make MySpace so popular, the most popular reason for its popularity is the fact that is completely free to use. As previously mentioned, MySpace, Classmate, and Orkut are just a few of the many social networking websites that you can find online. Additional sites include Friend Finder, Yahoo, 360, and more. To learn more about each of those sites or to join their community, you are advised to visit their online website and request additional information. You should be able to find this website by performing a standard internet search. Chapter 3. Should you join a social networking website? Are you interested in meeting new people online? If so, there is so good chance that you have had social network website before. Social networking websites are in a way like a community. They allow internet users to connect with or communicate with each other. Despite the fact social networking websites have rapidly increased in popularity or their popularity is one expected to keep on rising, there are many internet users who are used as the whether or not social networking website or for them. If you are interested in determine whether or not you should join the online networking website, you are encouraging to think about those websites are so popular doing so well able to determine other internet user making the discussion to join online social network. After that close examination, you may even find those are the same reason why you should or want to join. One of those reasons is ability to easily meet another internet user. Before social networking website, it was difficult to meet other internet user. If you tried, you would have to reply chat rooms and instant messaging service. As nice as their popular internet feature are, they are not allowed consider safe. With chat room instant messaging program, you were often giving little research that person who are they claimed to be. With your profile, there one way you could learn about particular internet user. Even if you want to do social networking website have changed that. Not only have social networking website made it safe to meet popular online, it all allow to meet popular that have the same similar interesting as yourself. Most social networking websites allow you to create your one profile. In fact, Many even give your one website page. This profile or page will allow you to share information on yourself, including your likes and dislikes. Since all other network members should have the same page in profile, it should be fairly easy for your meet up with other internet users, especially those who are even to believe the same thing that you do. Another one's many reason why you should join a social networking website is because you literally have wide variety of different choice. As social networking website increased in popularity, so did the number of websites that could be found online. Although MySpace is often remained the most popular online social networking website, there are others easy or much fun to use. You should easily be able to find those websites by performing a standard internet search. In your search for social networking website, you will come across a number of different networks. Many of those sites will have particular focus. Unlike MySpace, which accepted just about any internet user, there are online network the AM accepted internet users that have a particular hobby, view, or briefly belief. Online is not uncommon in the find social networking website that focus on the political, religion, pets, sports, and more. If you're unsure about joining the online networking community, social networking site may be best way. They are a great way to test whether they are niche because they automatically pair you internet user who the same internet viewer or briefly as you do. Perhaps the greater reason why you should join social networking website is because most are free to use. Popular free network including Yahoo, 360, Orkut, MySpace. In addition to free social network, there are online networks which you are required to pay to join. Although you may not want to for something you can obtain free elsewhere, you find paid network offer you more membership benefit when compared to free social networking site. Due to fact most social networking website are free user list free to try or in, encourage them lot. So if you are unsatisfied with what you say, you can easily cancel your membership often at a time anytime. Chapter 4. Why social networking sites are so popular? Do you use internet on a regular basis? If you do, there is a good chance that you have heard of website like MyPace, MyFinder, Friend Finder, Classmate, or Yahoo 360. What do all of those websites have in common? They are known as social networking website over the past few years have rapidly increased in popularity so much that many are wondering why. If you have used a social networking website before, it is likely that you already full aware their popularity and the reason of our popularity. There is just something about this website that draw in millions of interesting users. With a wide variety of different social networking websites available, there are a wide variety of different reasons their popularity. Once those once those reasons being the easy of use. Social networking websites are for the most part easy to use. Most sites are easy to navigate. In fact, many require little knowledge of the internet. In addition to being easy to navigate, social networking websites also make it easy to meet new people online. There are many internet users would love make new friends online. However, that can some be difficult to. Without social networking website, you would to connect with internet user, often in the chat room, and learn about their interesting before deciding if you would like to consider them your hobby. Buddy. Social networking site allow you them information about another internet user before every having to make contact with them. Another one of them reason why social networking sites are popular because many are free to use. In fact, the majority of social networking sites such as MySpace and Yahoo 360 and free to use. Despite being free to use, many websites require that you register with them. The registration will not only for you to create your one profile or online web page, but it is will allow to you to contact with networking member. Although most social networking websites are free to use, there are some that are not. Classmate is one of those websites. Many of these websites give you free trial period or a free membership. That membership can be used to help determine whether or not the website is worth paying for. What is the niche about paid online social networking website is that many can be considered exclusive. Since most internet users would not want to pay something that they can get a free. Most paid social networking sites are limited on the number of members they have. This may work out to your advantage because it tended to limit eliminate those create fake account aim to cause controversy online. Social networking websites are also popular because they came in a wide variety of different formats. Websites like Yahoo 360 and MySpace focus on a wide variety of different topics. This means this means that just about anyone can join. However, there are other social networking sites out there that have a particular focus. This focus may be on particular religion, political following, or body hobby. Most specialist social networking sites restrict the individual that can participate in their network, thus making your experience more enjoyable. Finally, social networking website focused on meeting new people socially online, but over recent months many have started including additional feature only available to their online members. Many social networking members can receive their one free web page, get free access to popular music, video, a free blog, and much more. Although social networking websites are popular enough to bring in members on their one, this additional feature are in a way providing internet user with a incentive to join. Mentioned above were new most popular social network that could be found online. Those networks including MySpace, Yahoo 360, and Classmate. If you are looking for additional social networking website, you should easily be able to find some by performing a standard internet search. Chapter 5. What not you put in your social network profile. Online social networking have been rapidly increased in popularity, especially over the past popular couple of years. Social networking websites are popular because they easily allow you to find, connect with and develop friends with other internet users, often ones that share the same interest as you. To find those individuals as most join a social networking website and create profile. It is often advertised that your social networking profile is the key to making and finding friends online. As previously mentioned, your social networking profile is important when it and come to meeting another internet user. This is because in most cause internet user are looking to chat with someone who has the same goals, views, beliefs, and interesting as without personal profile. It would be difficult or impossible to tell what your interests are. That is the why social network marketing profile are not only important but they are needed. When it comes to social networking profile, a lot of focus has been placed on what you should include in your profile or display on your profile page. It has been said that picture produce the best reasoning response as well as details personal information. Although a picture and details personal information may help to increase your page view, you may be getting view that you do not necessarily want. Despite what you believe most social networking website do you have restriction on how can be your personal profile. In fact, internet user, even those that do not belong to your online community, can easily see profile. Since anyone, literally anyone, can see your social networking profile on most social networking website, or advised to be cautious. Essentially, this means that instead of focusing on what you should put in your online profile, you should be focusing on what to not to put. This is one best way to protect your safety both on and offline. As previously mentioned, pictures are often recommended with social networking website. If you are interested in posting a personal picture of yourself, your online profile, you can do so, but you are advised to carefully choose that picture. While you will want to look your best, your advice against posting a picture that is too revealing or seductive in nature. Most internet users can look this type of picture without feeling a thing, but for others this type of picture spell danger. If you make the decision to post picture of social in your social networking website profile, you need to be careful about the rest of information that you post. Although you may not necessarily think about it, a picture is just picture, but combined with your name and address, it could be a deadly combination. You are advised to only post your first name in your profile. This will make it more difficult for anyone to try and contact you off the internet. It is also advised that you carefully choose your location. A larger number of online social network sites require that you select city as well as state. If it is allowed, you may only be to list your state and not the city. If you are required to list city and the state that you live in, you are want to link about using a nearby city or town, especially if you live in small town. If an internet predictor wanted to contact you and you live in a small town, it could be fairly easy for them to find you. That is why it is advised that you carefully selected the answer to the location question. In addition to the above precaution measures, it is the advice that you do not post details information on your children, the location of your home, your income, or when you will be leaving or vacation. By keeping this and thus above mentioned point in mind, you should be able to enjoy online social networking without having to allow look behind your back. Chapter 6. What is the social networking? Social Social networking, we have all likely heard of it before, but not everyone know what it means. If you were asked to define what social networking was, would you be able to give an accurate definition? Unfortunately, most individuals cannot, and even though it is likely that they participate in some form of social networking, especially online. Social networking is defined as the grouping of individuals together into the specific groups, often like a small community or a neighborhood. Although social networking is possible in person, especially in school or in the workplace, it is most popular online. This is because unlike most high school, college or workplace, the internet is filled with millions, if not more, of individuals who are looking to meet other internet users and develop friends. When it comes to social networking online, website or use. This website are known as social networking website. Networking website are in a way like a online community of internet user. Depending on the social networking website in question, many these online community members share a common bond, whether that bond be hobby, religion, or political. Once you are granted access to a social networking website, you can begin to socialize. This socialization may include reading the profile or profile page of the other members or even connecting them. The friends that you can make are just one of the many benefits to social networking online. Another ones of those benefits include diversity. Unlike most school or workplace, the internet giving individual from all around the world access to the social networking sites. This means that although you are in the United States, you could develop any online friends with someone in Japan. Not only will you make a new friend, you but may also learn thing or two about a new culture. As previously mentioned, the social networking often involves grouping specific individual or organization together. While there are a number of social networking websites that focus on particular internet, there are others that do not. These websites are often deemed traditional social network websites. This type of website typically have an open membership. This means that anyone can become a member no matter what their hobbies, belief or views are. However, once you are inside this online community, you can begin to create your own network of friends. Those eliminating others do not meet your criteria. If internet on the internet sound like something you would be interested in, you are in encouraging to learn more about it, such as the dangers of social networking. These dangers often involving online predictor of individual who claim to be someone that they are not. Although the danger does exist with networking online, it also exists with networking out there real world, as when you are meeting friends at bar, school, or work. You are advised to process with caution online. By being aware to your surrounding and who are talking to, you should be able to safely enjoy social networking online. Once you have learned everything that you feel you need to learn, so about social networking line, you can begin to search networking communicate with to join. This can easily be done by performing a standard internet search. Your search will likely return a number of results, in including my page, FriendVoice, FriendFinder, Yahoo, 360, Facebook, Orkut, and Classmate. Chapter 7: Using social networking website to promote your online website. Do, do you want or operate your own website? With the rising popularity of the internet, there is a good chance that you do. A larger number of internet users run their own personal website, but others run their websites as the way to make money. Of course, any website owner wishes to promote their online website, but those who rely on this website or for income are more willing to, whichever type of website you have. Did you know that you could help to promote it with online social networking website? If you are wondering how should use social networking website to promote your online website, you are not alone. A fairly larger number of internet users aren't even sure what social networking site or how they work. Online social networking website are likely online community. They give internet user an easy and fairly safe way to come together. Many social networking websites are designed to make it easy for your search for and make contact with internet users, especially those that you something in common with. With a fairly larger number of social networking websites, including MySpace, having over a million users, there is a good chance that you could not only make new friends, but find internet user that you would be interested in visiting your online website, especially if that website is your personal website. When joining an online networking community, you should be given your one profile page. On the page, you could not be describe yourself your online website by mentioning what your personal online web page is all about, providing a link. You should receive a number of new visitors. As previously mentioned, the social networking website can benefit all website owners, but especially those who are looking to make a profit with their website. This can be done one of two ways: by selling something or by relying on revenue from advertising. If you have website selling product or service, you may find it is little bit easier to social networking site to your advantage. This is because if your biz you could do product or service spotlight each day, pick your month, you could show one of the product or service that your website sells. That could either be done right on a profile page on or a blog page, which is provided by most social networking website. If you are using your social media to make money with advertising program such as affiliate program your Google's AdSense, your main approach social networking website in a different matter, since you will not necessarily have particular product or service to focus on. You will need to approach this website as their personal website. If your website discussing being a dog owner, it may be good idea to start your love for dogs in your profile. After doing so, it would be acceptable and not necessarily considered spam to add a link to your online website. As with all other type of online website, social networking website should help to increase the number of page views your website receiving. In most cases, more page view mean more click, which means money for you. As you can easily say, there are a number of different ways that you can promote your online website, no matter what type of website you have or what you use it for. By keeping the above mentioned point in mind, you should be able to see an increase in your page views in no time at all.